This is the first video in a new Ableton Live series, with the goal of showing you 100 essential efficient workflow techniques, and I'm going to do this in 33 3-minute or less videos. Working efficiently is key to feeling more creative in your DAW and for music production in general. Today's video is perfect for beginners. I'm going to show you the fastest, most efficient way to quickly and accurately select tracks, scenes, clips, and clip slots so you can do a lot of things quickly and in one action. My name is Brian Jackson, and I'm a music producer, musician, audio engineer, author, educator, and Ableton certified trainer based in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, let's start with a basic one here. I'm going to click on my drums, and then I'm going to hold Shift and click on music loops. And now I've selected all of those tracks. What if I want to do the same with some clips? No problem. I'll click on this one here, hold Shift, and now I've selected all three of those. And then I can make changes to them as I want. And I could do the same thing with scenes if I wanted to. Now, let's say I wanted to select some tracks or clips that were not contiguous, such as I wanted to group my drums and my bass. So I'm going to click here, hold Command, be Control on Windows, and now I can group my tracks. Now, what if I wanted to select all of the clips on a given track? No problem. I will just right-click and select track content. What if I wanted to select all of the clips on a given scene? I'm just going to right-click and select all slots on scene. And then say I'll click here, press Tab, and drop these over here. Now, a lot of the same things will work in the arrangement view. I can hold Command to do discontiguous. I can hold Shift. Now, on the timeline, only a few things will work for discontiguous, but as long as they're lined up like this, you can select discontiguous clips, or I can select arrange by holding Shift. So again, it's Command or Control on Windows to select ones that are not touching each other, and Shift for arrange. So that's it. I hope these quick tips help you work faster in Ableton Live. If you enjoyed the content in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.